Hello everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, pull it through the top right corner and now divide the hair into 3 portions. Now begin to braid the hair. After you have made yourself a normal braid, add a rubber band at the bottom of it, loosen the sides using your fingers and afterwards roll it and then pin it over more towards the left side. We have used a bobby pin in order to do so. Now on top of this you may use a 2-pronged decorative pin on the right side. Next, we'll start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, divide this ponytail into 2 portions, and then begin to make a fishtail braid out of this. Take narrow sections from either of the sections that you have divided and make them join the opposite section of which they were not a part of. Now continue to do this until you reach the middle and then add a rubber band to it, lift it up and tie it up in its place. Add a rubber band to the bottom of the hair as well, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section and then wrap it around the bun as such. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts and wrap it around the bun. Taking the excess amount of hair present, tie a rubber band to it at the bottom, roll it upwards and fasten it in place. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, pull it through, add a low ponytail to the bottom. Divide this ponytail into 2 portions, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections and roll the hair in on itself through these sections. Make a braid at the bottom, roll this up into a bun, use a multiple pronged decorative pin. This will be the final look of it. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair, add a rubber band in the middle. Now roll the hair in on itself through this middle section as such. Lift it upwards and then tie it up in place. Now once you have done so, take the bottom, make a braid out of it and tie it up. After you have made a braid at the bottom of the hair, roll it upwards and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. This will be the final look of the hair. Tie a ponytail to the hair, lift up this ponytail, use a multiple pronged pin from the top to the bottom as such. Push it through and then let the rest of the hair loose. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it as such. And once you have tied the rubber band, bend it over, lift it up and then fold it in place. Pin it up in place using a bobby pin or a multiple pronged pin or any other sort of clip. Next, gather all of the hair together and then add a rubber band at the bottom. Make sure that it is loosely put. Now once you are done with this, make a division in the middle, roll the hair upwards and then make a bun out of it. Wrap the rest of the hair around it, make it into a bun and then tie a rubber band to it. This is what it should look like. On top of this, you may either add decorative rubber band or you may also add a decorative clip to it. This will add to the aesthetic appeal of your hair design. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together, divide it into 3 portions and then begin to braid the hair. Now, as you progress with the braid, add a rubber band to the bottom of it. Now, after this, you may loosen the sides of this braid using your fingers. Make sure that this braid is loosely but firmly put as such. Now, roll this upwards, make it into a bun, fasten it in place using this decorative clip. Next, we'll start off by gathering all of the hair together and then wrap it around 2 fingers in order to make a bun, lift it up and pin it up in place using this decorative clip. Thank you for watching.